were showing the flood watch graphic yesterday and the day before with the potential for about 3 to 6 plus inches of rain with some isolated higher amounts. Now, the rain that we saw last night and this morning, of all of the rain we're expecting in the coming days, this round was expected to be the heaviest and still looks to be the case. And thankfully, we generally stayed around the 1 to maybe near 3-inch range across the board. That's what a lot of our high resolution models were saying as of yesterday. And so it looks like the high res models had a better idea of just what rainfall amounts we would get. Thankfully, that is all now moving to our east. Still some lingering thunderstorms off the Louisiana coast, but they will stay down to our south. So now drying out. And in fact, we are starting to see clearing skies. As the rain moves out, so do the clouds. And it looks like we're going to stay under clear skies overnight tonight. So now more sunshine and temperatures are in the lower 70s. It's as warm as we have been. So let's look ahead to what we are anticipating. Mostly clear to partly cloudy overnight tonight. Showers start to build back in as we head into early tomorrow morning, but watch where they remain tomorrow. Generally south of the city, more so Bayou region and coastal locations. So tomorrow's rain chance, I've got it about a 30–40%, and most of that stays offshore. During the day on Thursday, going through the night, may see a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but fairly dry for our Thursday. Now, as we head into Friday, now this is our high resolution model that doesn't go all the way into Friday. We do start to see a little bit more activity developing inland. So let's look at another model. This model, this is the IBM graph model we call Precision Cast. Again, dry overnight and mostly clear. Early tomorrow morning, primarily coastal showers that all stay generally south of the city. Not much activity inland during the day. Now, as we head toward Friday, increasing cloud cover, and it does look like an upper disturbance will send in a round of rain on Friday midday, afternoon, and into the evening. Now, at the moment, this doesn't look to be very substantial in terms of adding to the rainfall totals. Maybe 1–1.5 inches of rain, so overall. Of course, that could change, but Friday right now looking to be the wetter day with this little surface low kind of keeping some wraparound showers around, even going into early on Saturday. So as of right now, the flood watch remains in effect through tomorrow afternoon with kind of an additional 1 to 3 inches. But as I just showed you, we're not going to see a lot of that widespread. Maybe some spotty showers later in the day, but most of the rainfall tomorrow stays along the coastline. We will see, as we're anticipating rainfall on Friday, if the Weather Service decides to extend that watch for Friday. As of the rest of the day going into early tomorrow, the outlook for flooding rain is much lower. Still there, but far lower. And then going into Friday, most of the area is under that marginal low-end threat for some isolated street flooding. So not much of an issue any longer for widespread flooding, though we are anticipating a little bit more rain. This system moving out and really downstream, not much more activity. This upper low, though, and another upper feature, which is over southern Arizona, will keep us on a more progressive pattern, meaning more rain chances. As a matter of fact, this little low that is out to our west is likely what's going to start to kick up that rainfall that moves in on Friday. That coupled with another developing upper system. This pattern will keep at least some rain around going into the weekend. Now, the good news is it starts to finally move away, and on the wraparound side, we actually get into some slightly less humid air Sunday and into Monday. Then going further into next week, building upper ridge. That means we start heating up, and we could at some point late next week see our first 90 of the season. We'll see. About a 40% chance tomorrow, mainly coastal. 70% chance during the day Friday. Few morning showers on Saturday, but drying out, and fairly pleasant weekend. A little less humid by Monday, 81, and we get back into the mid to upper 80s late next week.
All right.